I need a girl to ride my bike. Mode sounds. Bike, I need a girl to. Look at these guys play with the boats. So beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. So I'm just looking for an open space to launch my drone and then just bring you some dope shots. I think it's so beautiful here. Look at that. All these trees all neatly lined up, you know. I'm talking order. You know, I love that. Anyway, anyhow. Again, look at the trees all beautifully lined up. Palace. Yeah. So this is the main information board. It has things to do with when the gates get opened, to all types of advertisement and all the regulations and rules of this park, Bushy Park. It's one of the royal parks in London. Coming up to the main centerpiece of this park, which is this fountain. It's beautiful. Look at this, so beautiful. I could see a lot of keen cyclists today. The ducks obviously playing around. Let's just cross this road. Stay tuned. Yeah, we could bring you more sights of some of the places I visit. Beautiful. To pan it back to the main centerpiece. Oh, so beautiful, huh?